Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Google AdSense account step by step. Whether you have a YouTube channel, a blog or a website, AdSense is how you start earning money from your content. I'll walk you through every single step, show you the common mistakes to avoid and tell you what to do if your application gets rejected. Let's just get started. Step 1. Go to the Google AdSense website, open your browser. In the address bar, type adsense.google.com. Make sure you spell it correctly. There are many fake websites that look like Google AdSense but are scams. Always check that the website address starts with HTTPS and has the Google logo. Once the page loads, you will see a blue button that says get started or sign up now. Once the page loads, you will see a blue button that says get started or sign up now. Click the button. If you already have a Google account, make sure you are signed into the correct one before you start. This is very important because once you connect AdSense to an account, it is difficult to change it later. Step 2. Sign in with your Google account. If you are not already signed in, Google will ask you to enter your email address and password. Use Google accounts that is connected to your YouTube channel or your website. Do not use a random or new email address. Use the same account where your content lives. After you sign in, Google will show you the AdSense terms and conditions. You must read these carefully, then click I agree to continue. Now you will be asked to select the type of account you want to create. There are two options, individual and business. If you are a single content creator, choose individual. If you are a company or organization, choose business. Most YouTubers and bloggers choose individual. Step 3. Fill in your personal information. Google needs to know who you are because they will send you money. You must provide real and accurate information. First, select your country. If you are in Uganda, you select Uganda from the drop-down menu, then enter your full legal name. And remember, this must match the names on your government ID and your bank account. If you use a nickname or a fake name, Google will reject your application. Next, enter your address. This is very important because Google will send a verification PIN to the address by post mail. The address must be correct and deliverable. Include your district, city, street, or any landmark if possible. Enter your phone number. Google may use this to verify your identity. Finally, select your time zone because this affects when your earnings are calculated. Step 4. Connect your website or YouTube channel to your account. Google will ask you where you want to show ads. You have two main options. Option 1, add a YouTube channel. If you're a YouTuber, click this option. Google will check if your channel meets their requirements. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 400,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Option 2, add your website or blog. If you have a website, you will need to paste a small piece of code into your website's HTML. Google will give you this code and you put it between the head tags of your website. If your content is not ready yet, you can save your progress and come back later. But you cannot complete the application without a valid website or channel. Step 5. Verify your phone number because Google will send you a 6-digit verification code to the phone number you provided. You can choose to receive it by SMS, text, or message or by an automated voice call. Enter the code on the screen. This confirms that you are a real person, not a bot or a scammer. If you do not receive the code, check that you entered the phone number correctly with your country code. For Uganda, the country code is +256. If you still do not receive the code, wait 5 minutes and try again. Do not click the resend button too many times or Google may lock you out. Step 6. Submit your application and wait. After you have completed all the steps, review all the information one last time. Make sure your name, address, and phone number are correct. Any small mistake can cause your application to be rejected. Then click the submit application button. Now you wait. Google will review your application, and this usually takes anywhere between 2 days to 2 weeks. Sometimes it can take up to a month. And during this time, Google is checking the three things. One, that your content follows their policies. Two, that you own the website or channel you submitted. And three, that you are a real person with valid information. You will receive an email from Google when the review is complete. And once Google approves your application, they will send you a verification pin to your physical address by post mail. This is a 6-digit number printed on a letter. It usually takes 2 to 4 weeks to arrive. If you live in a rural area, it may take longer. When you receive the letter, go back to your AdSense account dashboard and enter the PIN. After you enter the correct PIN, your account becomes free active. This is important to know that if you do not enter the PIN within 4 months, Google will stop showing ads on your content, and you can request the PIN to be resent up to 3 times. If the PIN never arrives, you can contact Google support and request an alternative verification method. But this is very rare and only granted in special cases. Let me quickly show you the most common reasons why AdSense applications get rejected. 1. Your content is too new. Google prefers established websites and channels with regular high-quality content. 2. You do not have enough content. Your website should have at least 20 or 30 articles. Your YouTube channel should have consistent uploads over several months. 3. Your content violates policies. This includes copyrighted material, adult content, violent content, misleading information. For your website is not accessible. If your website is broken, slow, or has broken links, Google rejects you. 5. Your personal information does not match. If the name used is different from your ID or bank account, rejection is almost certain. If you are rejected and read the reasons carefully, fix the problem and reply. Thank you very much for watching, and hope we meet in the next video.